Hola, ¿cuál hace esto? Es Michael Logan y yo estoy haciendo el número 12 en la lista. Yo solo puedo hablar en el español de este video. Vamos a pasar en un rato.
We're gonna call Sam. Hey hombre, ¿cuál es de para arriba? ¿Cuál es esto es porque Logan? Yo solo puedo hablar en español de... No, yo solo puedo hablar en español de este video. No. En español de este video. Vamos a pasar en buen rato. Sam, I'm making a YouTube video and I have to talk in Spanish. Yeah. Sí. Español de este video. Variación. Adios. Yeah, we're gonna call a girl now. Las chicas. Hey, me gustan las chicas muy bonitas. Primero hace el amor. ¿Sí? Mi, ¿cuál hace esto es Michael Logan? No, yo solo puedo hablar en español de este video. Me gustan las chicas muy bonitas. Video. Okay. Sí. Well, tengo que ir. Goodbye, I love you. I have no idea what recollection to who this person is. John! Recording the message. ¿Cuál hace esto? Es Michael Logan. Y yo estoy haciendo el número 12 en la lista. Yo solo puedo hablar en español de este video. Me gustan las chicas bonitas. Estoy enamorado de una stripper. Adios. That was John Johnson's of John Johnson's Supply.
The list has been made. Check it out. Look, it's not that long. I've only picked some of the best ideas I've seen. I'll read some of them to you. Llama riding. What we would do is go into a llama corral and basically just ride the llamas and hope we don't get spit or bit. We know some people that own llamas, so yeah. Sleep in Walmart. Pretty self-explanatory. Air horn at a golf course. Lemonade stand. Hotel pool jumping. Sleep in the graveyard. Cooking tutorial. Sleep challenge, which means just stay up for as long as you can. Cinnamon challenge. Dress as a girl. Produce a rap song. Do an entire video in Spanish. This video doesn't count, I was just practicing. Ever since I've named that bird, there's been birds like all over. Can you hear them? Look. They just like fly around me and like squawk at me. There's seriously so many of them. It scares me, honestly. I've never seen this many avionic birds in my life. If that's a word, I hope it is. Is this on record? Okay, good. Those people actually waved to me. Made me feel good about myself. But yeah, this is just gonna be a little update video telling you to leave more ideas, because so far we only have 12 things written down that I really like. Yeah. It's Saturday today. I have my socks on, look, I'm comfortable. I'm comfortable talking to you guys in my socks. Oh, and I'm moving soon too. I just thought I'd throw that out there. Tuesday. Today's Saturday, moving Tuesday. Yeah. Meow, meow. I swear there are literally so many birds. It's like a penundrage of birds. I just made that word up, but it sounded like it fit, didn't it?